Scene 1 alpha, take 3, marker.
You need anything plumbed?
Could you please? That's disgusting. Put that thing down.
I think it's okay. It's my best friend.
There's what?
Until the job.
I'd rather you not. You smell horrible. It's not.
Got it.
We go
I
where?
will do that, and there's no job yet.
Care where you go, just go.
It's mostly plumbed.
Like vogue around a little bit.
All right,
I'm trying not to smile. I'm nervous.
Think of dead kittens.
Oh. Why do I keep hiring you two?
Sorry, I couldn't resist.
That was very good.
That was good.
Oh
Oh my
my
god, that was
like a
great.
champ!
Her reaction was excellent.
That was amazing.
Yes.
It was real.
That was real. Anyway, princess, how do you like the pipes?
Are you serious?
Marker.
I'm not cool.
Oh, that's okay. I like a coolio. As I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I take a look at my life and realize I messed up. Because I've been dead. Okay. We just go in and talk party.
Marker.
He's not stopping, brother. I encourage him. We should encourage him to continue.
I
I
like
think.
the dance he's doing.
That's a good dance. I like a dance. Who did it at that? Was that Saturday Night Fever?
I've done this before, I promise.
All right.
Oh, God.
Sweetie, these are two.
Oh! Come on, you do it. There we go. All right,
Everybody's done it now.
We're good.
This is my daughter Emily. Sweetie, these two gentlemen, they're gonna hit.
That's my pen.
All right, keep it rolling. And if they can't do it, yeah.
Okay, I can. I'm sorry.
Test the temperature. How is it?
Think we got it?
Okay, you coming with us?
No, you're gonna go all by yourself.
We don't want to.
Well,
There we go.
Subtle!
I know. You can never I put on the music for you. I put on the music for you to help in.
Oh,
I know. I put on the music for you to help set the mood, and I take the microphone cable with it.
Marker.
I brought some music for you to use. One more time.
Marker.
I put on the music to get you in the mood.
Marker.
I bring music to help set the mood. Sorry. That's it though. All right, good. I get it.
Marker.
This is not for me!
2 Zeta, take 11. Take 12.
take one.
No! No!
Vacuum time. It's all right.
I thought we almost finished.
We were so close.
Oh, we were so close.
All right. Refreshing a mouthwash. I feel my health bar refilling already.
Oh.
I'm so sorry.
You broke it? Wow.
I could have.
That's a good sign.
3A, take 8. Thanks, Mike.
Thanks for closing the door, Sarah.
Take 1.
It tasted like a lemonade.
Mustache fell.
Oh.
Take 3.
Tasted like. Sorry.
Take 5.
It tasted like a lemonade with a hint of pine, and my mustache fell off.
Take 8.
But where are the water tanks? that long.
You're still here.
Okay, we gotta do that again. I'm sorry. Where are you hiding all the beanstalk plants? How about the banana plant? No, we don't say plants.
Let's just take it from
Yeah, let's just take it from there. How about the banana plants?
There's
hell is that?
God stupid thing.
Marker.
Why do I always think the pot five? Right, you want to look at it?
I didn't ever want to picture that.
Well, it's too late.
Yeah.
Of course. You act like we can't find our own asses with all of the available things that you could possibly give us to do such a task.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry.
Peek.
Did you say Pikachu?
I was about to say peak of fire or something.
PK Fire?
I was thinking that.
Why you would go to the Mushroom Kingdom? Maybe over here.
Remember that was no good. And I looked at the lens. So.
Decide, come on, it's time to go do the Mario. Take one step and back again. Let's do the Mario all together now. You got it. Just like that.